everyone, typical car here from Pumpy SC Vlogs, and we're staying at the Welcome Heritage Traditional Haveli Hotel. You may have seen this before in our other videos. So it's absolutely beautiful. So we're on floor one. They are doing a little bit of renovation work, is what I'm trying to say, presently. But I just wanted to give you a tour of our new room because we arrived back here today. Please do excuse the swimsuit. I've just been to the pool, open top pool on the full floor. Definitely recommend that if you want to come and stay here. Beautiful way to cool down. I'm here in Jaipur. It's been like 40 plus degrees, so yes, I do have a towel on to keep my modesty, but I just thought before I jump in the shower I'd give you a little room tour. So this is our little hallway. So you walk down, a little bit smoky, like I say, they are doing some work in here. So here we are. Nice little entranceway. Beautiful artwork, like everywhere. Sorry, I didn't show you this. It's just lovely. The attention to detail, like I say, in this hotel is stunning. So we're going to start doing it again. So let's get in. And as you come into the room, we have hubby. Beautiful 4-poster bed. Absolutely stunning.
It's our third different room in this hotel.
Our third different room.
And they're all really lovely.
Nice big wardrobe here. You can have your laundry done. However, we got our laundry done yesterday. Oh yes, some zippers. And it is lockable. So there you go. So hubby's a naughty boy. That's where he's going. Massive, massive flat screen TV. You can get YouTube on here, Netflix, Amazon, normal TV. So absolutely superb. Chisel, I think that's what you call it. That's really comfy. Let's take a pew. That's our coffee cups, our complimentary coffee, complimentary water, obviously tea, coffee, little cups here. Oh, fridge area in here. Yeah, of course. So that's that. Nice little desk area. There's a little table here. 2 bedside cabinets with your sockets. Obviously that is really important. Your lights are controlled from these multicoloured sections. Oh, yeah, can we have the lights back on? So there you go. Lovely, beautiful pillows. Oh, these beds are so comfortable. Like I say, this is our third room here. Oh, it's so comfy. Look at the ceiling from here as well. So look at the beautiful 4-poster bed there. There we go. Camera doesn't do it justice, but absolutely stunning. There we go. Bathroom. Huge. Huge, huge, huge. It's a nice big mirror. Huge sink. I love all these old-fashioned lights here. So the attention to detail is amazing. It's complimentary shower gels, toilet roll, your bum gun, hair perfectly nice big toilet, huge shower. The shower's really, really powerful. And obviously, there's one there as well. You just want to wash your hair or your feet. Excellent, feet clean. You get some nice fluffy towels here as well. So you'll have to excuse some of the mess because we've been in here a couple of hours now. The shower's gigantic, absolutely huge. If you wanted a party in a shower, yeah, you could get at least 5 people in there. Probably a couple of seats. But anyway, there you go, guys. This is the tour of our room. And from a price perspective, well, including breakfast, for all of this, if I can get my camera to turn round, it's been playing me up today. Ay. Anyway, from a price perspective, because I can't get the camera to turn round. Oh, there we go. Apologies. So a price perspective, £25 UK, including breakfast, and that's for 2 people. So you can't really go wrong. Yeah. Rooftop swimming pool. Downstairs, basement, restaurant, bar. There's a smoking room down there. There's live music every Friday, Saturday and Sunday evening. Absolutely check that out.
An on-site spa.
Buy one and get one free on drinks. When you stay here, you do also benefit from a 20% discount. Breakfast is excellent. Like I say, that's included in the room price. So £25 a night to stay here in this beautiful luxury hotel with a rooftop swimming pool. There's also a spa here, really reasonably priced. There's also a coffee shop on site as well. Beautiful coffee there too. Lots of areas where you can relax, read a book, chill out. Beautiful sofas, chairs. There's a swing-in reception, which is great fun. Yeah, there's room service as well here. So you know, even if you don't want to leave your room and you just want to chill and watch Pompey SC vlogs, why not all day? Hey, who can blame you? Anyway, guys, we're gonna go freshen up and we're gonna head out to dinner. So we'll take you with us on there in the next video. But yeah, check out the video for the rooftop pool. The other videos that we've done here at this beautiful hotel of the rooms that we have stayed in previously, and obviously the hotel itself. So as always, thank you so much for supporting our channel. Please give us a thumbs up, unsubscribe, and come and join our beautiful community. You'd be more than welcome. We look forward to welcoming you. So stay well, stay positive, be happy, look after each other, and until the next video, come on.